Hello, I'm creating these videos for my students. If you are looking for Revit training, please contact me in WhatsApp or in LinkedIn chat, or you can directly call me on my number. Thanks for watching my video. Let's continue. Today I'm going to show you how to create a group and how to ungroup and how to convert a group into a link. Okay. So here you can see this is my house model. Okay, let's go to a different 3D view. Okay, this is my default 3D view. Let's hide whatever I don't need. Okay, I'm going to hide this. Okay, let's keep it to shaded. And so I'm getting this gray because I have some filter. Okay, now you can see this clearly. Okay, so now what am I going to do is I'm going to any floor plan level, I'm going to this level 1. Okay, so here I'm going to select furnitures into a separate group. For example, I'm taking these furnitures, chairs, tables, and this bed and this cupboard. I'm going to make that as a group. So here I have selected. Now I'm going to make that as a group. I'm going to say that as furniture. Okay, and I'm going to say okay. If I select, you can see this here in the top. You can see the modify model groups ribbon menu. Okay, here you have the 3 options. One to edit the group. Okay, so with this tool you can add or remove any element from the group. Okay, once you edit, give finish. Okay, the second tool is to ungroup. For example, if I give ungroup here, now each element, each model is separate one. It's not a group now. Anyway, even though you make a group as a single element, still your group is saved in the project browser. You can see here I can see my group, model group. If I drag and drop this here, you should be able to see my model. Okay, so because of section box it's not visible now. I have placed my model here, but unfortunately my section box doesn't cover that area. So let's extend. Now you can see my model here. Let's uncheck the section box. I'm going to disable section box now. Now you can see here this is my model group, and I can place how many times I want. Okay, so now we have seen how to create a model group and how to ungroup a model group. Now I'm going to show you how to make this group into a link. For example, I'm going to try now. Okay, so this is my model group. I have just selected now, and I'm going to say link. Read this here, converts the selected group into a linked file. Oh, let's try this one. Okay, I'm going to press link, and here I have 2 options. The first option is to replace with a new project file. Otherwise I can do replace with an existing project file. I don't have anything to replace the project, so I'm going to create a new project file. I'm going to select the first option. Okay, so I'm going to desktop, and here I should give a name. Okay, same as group name I can give. You can give file name as group name, or you can give a new name. Let's give a name called furniture type 1. Furniture type 1, and you can include attached detail. Otherwise you can uncheck this one and say save. Now Revit is loading. It's done now. Still loading. Okay, now you can see if I select the same group, you can see now this is a link. It's no more a group. In the properties you can treat it's a Revit link, and the name is furniture type 1. Now you have the option for link. You can manage the link or you can bind the link. What is binding link? I will cover that in a separate video. Okay, binding link is just to merge with the file. Let's try the second option. Okay, so here I have the same model. Okay, so here I have the same model group. Okay, I'm going to ungroup this one and let's change something. Let us change something here. Okay, so I just changed something here. Okay, let's change something here. Okay, so this group now it's a link. This arrangement is different and I'm making a separate arrangement. Okay, I'm just moving it a little bit. Now I'm just moving it a little bit and I'm going to make this as a group. Now let's make this as a group. Let's keep it as group 1. Let's say okay. Now I'm going to try the second one. Now I'm going to try the second option from link. So I'm going to select the group and select link. Now I'm going to select the second option, replace with an existing project file. I'm going to select this here. I'm going to desktop and select the furniture type 1. So this option should bring our model group. So this option should make our model group into this one. Let's try. I'm selecting the link and I'm giving open. Now you see here I was having a different arrangement, but once I linked with the existing project, the same group just changed to an existing project link. Okay, I think so. This is following the model center to a group center. That's all for the day. I believe now you have understood how to create a group and how to ungroup and how to change a group into a link. Here we have two options, so that's the main learning here. How to replace with a new project or how to replace with an existing project. Okay, these two options we have tried now. If you have any doubt or if you have any query, you can always contact me in my WhatsApp or LinkedIn, or directly you can call me on my number. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.